If you finish writing all your rubbish, on Monday you will sit at home. On Monday you'll be inside your house.
Hello beautiful family, how are you doing? Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So my beloved family, why I brought this video or the voice you just listened to of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because of what a lot of people are saying about Simon Ekpa, saying that he's a different person, he's doing something that is not according to the rules of IPOB, that is not an IPOB member, that what he's doing is on his own. And people like us are saying that Bikonu, there is no difference between the Prime Minister, the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There is no difference, because if you listen to this voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see that they are the same thing. And also he's talking about sit at home. He's talking about this Monday sit at home. So why did somebody even think that Simon Ekpa is not working for Biafra, or is not a Biafra, or is someone that is different? If you are saying I'm not a Biafra, how will you say that Simon Ekpa is not a Biafra when he is doing according to the bid of the master? What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing, that is what he's doing right now. So I just say, let me bring the little clip of the similarity between Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So let us watch the sit at home and see how things are going.
Monday, August 14, 2023. Enugu State is sitting at home. This Monday sit at home. All shops under lock and key. So you can see the road is dry, the shops are locked. Nnamdi Azikiwe Sports Stadium locked.
Nsukka Total Roundabout, 14th of August 2023. The everyone's are sitting at home. This is Enugu Road, Nsukka. Today is the last day of our 2 weeks sit at home for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mobi filling station, Nsukka. Nsukka Road Total Roundabout.
My beautiful family, if you look around, you will see that the 2 weeks sit at home has come to an end. Today is the last day of the 2 weeks sit at home. So what did you think? Did you think that through this sit at home something positive is going to happen, knowing fully well that the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have tried a lot of things, to make sure they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but to no avail? So do you really think that with this 2 weeks sit at home, something positive is going to happen? We just have to be sure, because they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace. You know, at times, I don't blame people when they're saying they should sit at home. There's a level you will get to, and you will be
Today is
angry.
14 days of August 2023. Sit at home is very tired. You can see these are shops. Everywhere locked down, the air evolution is awesome. People are willing to go. I want to thank God for Biafra government in exile, Simon Ekpa, for great things he has doing in conjunction with Biafra people, de facto government also in Biafra. thank you for everything you are doing, and we thank you, we support you, continue supporting you. Sit at home is awesome, it's working heavily. You can see everywhere is shut down. People are willing to go. People are willing to go. People, they want to be their leader. Mazan come out. You can see everywhere is shut down. So please, don't mind everyone. That's a tattoo having cancer. It's a lie. You should remember that nobody can support a tattoo. So everything I'm telling you is lie. Those are the ones that conditioning, knowingly or unknowingly, the one of them can dead. Yes. Knowingly or unknowingly, the one of them can dead. Don't want it to come out. So one that is already happening in our Biafra now. Umuchineke, those are news here. Up for global news ray. Global news ray. Now report here from Central Papa, reporting from Central Papa, Abia State. Tonight for you, sit at the start. So Umuchineke anyway, we are winning. We are man. No Umuchineke. Yes, yes. Those are news here. What fun I said to the please continue. Today is the end of 14 days, and every Monday we are still keeping it until our need, our request is met. Thank you, Umuchineke. Those are news here. They will.
Nsukka Total Roundabout, 14th of August, 2023. The Everans are sitting at home. This is Enugu Road, Nsukka. Today is the last day of our 2 weeks sit at home for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Mobi filling station, Nsukka. Nsukka Total Roundabout.
I know that some people will come for me saying that how will the sit at home profit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or how will the sit at home takes away the present situation or what is happening right now. But believe me, the sit at home is having great effect. Why I say so is that when the desirable is not available, the available becomes desirable. That is the only opinion or the only option that the people they have presently, because they've tried a lot of means to make sure they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but they don't want. Rather, they are saying things that are not relevant. They are saying things that are different that people did not even understand. So my beautiful family, I just say let me bring this here so that at least you know what is happening, that the sit at home, the 2 week sit at home has been completed and the people respond to the call of the sit at home. But all the same, I will keep updating you every single information, every minute, every day. The purpose I'm here is for me to update you, and you got to be carried along. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I give you back to back. Please, you can as well click on that joint button and join our membership. Support this platform. Thank you so much, and keep sharing our videos. I love you, and bye bye.